Alright, let's look at the homework 1.3, problem number 7. Alright, so we want to find an equation of the line passing through both of these points. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so I'm going to name first guy x1, y1, and second guy x2, y2. Alright, so using the slope formula, we can find a slope. Slope is going to be, right, so it's going to be, let's see, so y2, 5, 6, minus y1, right, and the x2, which is negative 2/3, minus x1, so we got that. Alright, then we can just simplify this. The numerator is going to be, let's see, 5, 6 over 1 is 6 over 6, so it's going to be negative 1 over 6. Right, and the bottom is going to be, so this is double negative, so you have addition. So it's going to be negative 2/3 plus positive 1/3 is going to be negative 1/3. So you end up getting something like this. Right, let's see here. Right, then to simplify this, first you can just cancel out the negative sign, so it's going to be positive. And then I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 6, right? So negative sign is gone, multiply 1 6 by 6, you get 1. And multiply 2/3 by 6, you're going to get, let's see, oh actually, I messed that up. This is actually negative 1/3, isn't it? So it's a negative 1/3. And multiply by 6, you get the 2. So the slope is going to be 1/2, right? So you multiply top and bottom by 6 after you cancel out the negative sign. So you get 1/2. So slope is 1/2, point is negative 3, negative 1/3, 1. So using a point slope form, you can get an equation, something like this, right? Y minus y1, which is 1, slope is 1/2, x minus negative 1/3, which is going to be plus 1/3. Right? So let's type it in. Right? So equation is y minus 1 is equal to 1/2 times quantity x plus 1/3. Right? So let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, so sketching the graph. It's actually, what you can do is click here, right? Then we can just give those 2 points. So negative 1/3, 1, right? So we can put negative 1/3, 1, right? So that's the first point. And the second point is negative 2/3 and the 5, 6. So we're going to put the negative 2/3. And then we have a 5 over 6, all right? Then we have a line. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the correct picture as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.